Factory for rent. Location Section 16 Shah Alam, Padang Jawa. Size about 1.5 acre. Asking price Rm1 PSF. Prime 1.5 acre industrial land and factory for rent, Shah Alam Section 16, Padang Jawa. Secure your ideal industrial base. We are offering a substantial factory compound on approximately 1.5 acres, 65,340 square feet, of prime land for rent in the highly sought-after Section 16, Shah Alam, Padang Jawa Industrial Hub. Unmatched location, situated in the heart of Shah Alam's established industrial zone, enjoy excellent accessibility to major highways, KESAS, NKVE, Federal Highway, Port Klang, Kuala Lumpur, and supporting infrastructure. Significant scale, this spacious 65,340 square feet, 1.5 acre, site provides ample room for manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, assembly, or any large-scale industrial operation. Potential for expansion or yard storage. Competitive pricing, available at an attractive asking rate of Rm 1.00 per square foot, PSF, per month. Established area, benefit from being in a mature industrial location with readily available utilities, skilled workforce, and proximity to suppliers and customers. Ideal for manufacturers, logistics companies, warehousing, and distribution centers, heavy equipment operators, assembly plants, and businesses requiring significant land and covered space. Act now. This is a rare opportunity to secure a large, well-located industrial property in Shah Alam. Serious inquiries only. Contact Sunny. Phone +6016 218 7571, email sunnycock2@gmail.com. Owner is welcome to list.